Hi guys, so welcome to another video. So my phone is almost out of storage and I got no mustache. So, oh wait, shouldn't show that. I had to blur it. So I got this package from Doge Post. Can show you. I got this package from Doge Post from Germany and I'm gonna open it. So I have the package here. And so some guy just so I ordered so I don't know what this is. Oh, it's yeah, it's already here. So I ordered, an iPhone, same one I have now but in black, and it got 256 gigabytes, but it's refurbished, so it might have some scratches on, but this is how it looks. So I'm gonna unbox it, see how it works. So finally I can make better videos, I hope. So let's see how it looks. So in the package I got this one, it's for charging it, and here's the phone. So it doesn't seem to be any, it looks kind of new, so I don't understand. They said it was like, okay, so, oh yeah, you can see some scratches here, see on there, so it's like one scratch, but otherwise there's not that many scratches. So I'm actually, I thought it would be more scratches on it, but as you can see, it's not that many scratches, so I'm happy about it. I'm just gonna see if it works. Okay, so it seems to work. I just plugged it in and see it's turning on. See how long it takes. So yeah, it works. Let's see the battery health. So I'm just gonna set this up. So I got the phone going and it says this is not a genuine Apple battery, which is bad because I can't see now the percentage and it's not a real Apple battery, it says. So that's a problem. Maybe I can tell him that because I think it's supposed to be a real Apple battery when you buy it. So since the battery was not, I'm gonna have to replace this soon when I can afford it. So it costs about $170 to replace the battery. And then, so you can see it's unknown, this battery. I want to show percentage. That one we don't need. So I want to see if this actually have the 256 storage. Yeah, it has. As you can see, 256 gigabyte storage. Already used 12 or 13 almost. So it already used that much from the operation system. So now I finally got 256 gigabyte. Only problem is the battery. Even if I said I wanted a new one, they give you an unknown, which is the problem. That's when you buy refurbished. So you get it cheap, it looks good, it doesn't look that bad, but the battery is not original, and so you have to spend like $170 to replace it. Otherwise, I'm happy. I'm just gonna have to replace the battery. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good one.